So today's not a good day. We just discovered that one of our chickens, our Cornish Cross, wasn't moving. So we immediately quarantined him from the flock. He's been in here for probably, or she's been in here for like 2 days. I can reach in and touch her, she doesn't even try to move. I'm afraid that she's got Marek's, which is see how that causes paralysis? There's flies on her. She just doesn't care. She's pooping all over herself, so I'm gonna have to dispatch her today. Which is sad, but I don't want the rest of my flock catching this disease, because they will. And as you can hear, I got babies over there, and she's been in here for 2 days. Hopefully, they didn't catch anything. So I'm gonna go dispatch this bird over in the side yard where I've already pre-dug a hole. Okay, so what I'm basically gonna do is I'm gonna put her in a bag after I'm done with her. But here comes the sad part. She's having trouble breathing, as you can see even. She's not really discharging anything out of her eyes or nose, but she's having respiratory issues. The fact that she's pooping all over herself, she just doesn't even care to move. She's not trying to get away from me. Those chickens would run away. I can't see anything wrong with her feet, her underside. She's just paralyzed. So what we do is just and I'm putting it in a Ziploc bag, keep it free from any other, and she will start kicking. Ziploc bags don't really do a good job, do they? So there she goes. I'm gonna bury everything with her. The food and the water. We don't want the birds catching any of this. I'm gonna wash that separately. And then I'm not even poop and all that stuff.
Rest in peace, little birdie.